Video. Video siya. Video siya. Yes. Layo pa.
Kita ko.
Video.
Kita ko.
Oh, yes. Kaya nga, ito na.
This is so nice in here, you know that?
Ano po masasabi niyo sa lugar?
Well, I believe this is actually one of the greatest places in the Philippines right now, no? I've been to many places around the world and in the Philippines as well. Pero ito yung nakita ko na sobrang, hindi pa talaga siya natatouch ng tao.
Wow, Philippines.
For the first time, natouch na siya dito kasi ko eh. Okay? So, I'll see you there. Enjoy. Have fun.
Yeah, thank you, thank you. Ayos!